Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate birthday of the most adaptive and diligent member of our team, who always strives for excellence in everything she does. She is not only a trainer par excellence, but also a good learner as well. I wish Sukhleen a very happy birthday. There are so many other qualities that makes her stand out amongst all the students that I have taught during my entire career. Qualities like being confident, being resilient, and never shying away from giving opinion under any circumstances. That's why I believe she stands a good chance to outshine everyone in every sphere of her life. Finally, I would say a very happy birthday, and there's no need to mention that now she's acknowledged to be one of the best trainers at Upfront. Happy birthday.